Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheesecake. First, let's create the perfect crust. You'll need about 200 grams of digestive biscuits and 100 grams of melted butter. Crush the biscuits very finely, then combine them well with the butter. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan, ensuring an even base. Chill the crust for at least 30 minutes while you prepare the filling. This step is crucial for a stable foundation. Now, let's prepare that luscious cheesecake filling. Start with 500 grams of softened cream cheese, 150 grams of granulated sugar, and 2 large eggs. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of sour cream for an extra creamy texture. Mix these ingredients on low speed until they are just combined and smooth. Be careful not to overmix, as this can introduce too much air and cause cracks during baking. Baking a perfect cheesecake requires a gentle touch. Place your springform pan into a larger pan, then add hot water to create a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes. The center should still have a slight wobble when you gently shake it. Turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside with the door ajar. This gradual cooling prevents cracking. Finally, refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Once your cheesecake is perfectly chilled, it's time for the grand finale. Garnish it with fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate, or a homemade fruit compote for an elegant touch. For clean slices, warm your knife under hot water and wipe it clean between each cut. This ensures beautiful, neat portions every time. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.